Add some question. Question for the comment section and in the box. Alright. Me listen, you know, but I'm not ready for cast judgment yet. Me I listen. But before I cast judgment, the pile part. How that part they go? Me not hear that part there. None of them. Me not hear the pile part there. Oh, me not hear it. The body part, the picture part. Oh, me not hear that part there. Just ask. Hello?
One of Raja, I think it was the second one, them they talk about it. Remember I said, Lady Louise said a man doing stuff in a bottom white plug out.
Okay, we still not getting enough information because we can't cast judgment. Because here when me say, I see a screen recording state. Find the screen recording where he was stating that I said me go to surgery. Say me go to surgery. You hear me?
Yeah, yes. Let me see.
Alright. This is first thing me I get out of the ear. Alright, let me just say this. Oh God, it's too early for that. Let me say this. Not because me used to over this with certain people and me and the cockroach looking guy never used to take tea or we have a different. Not because me have a problem, no me feel like say me have nothing major with the cockroach looking, rasta looking, moped man. But this is what I understand. I have a problem with Able Boss. Everybody know that. Nothing danger about, we not take tea. Okay. The picture part for try to bring him under the homosexual for classify him as Batman, illiteracy people. We don't have to rule that out. That doesn't make no sense. I am interested to know if the main reason of the lady for in at this is because him send her the picture because if him want to do surgery. No, if you have a pile and you want to do surgery, that is something that you have to because you're going uncomfortable, you're going to bleed, you're going to have problems shitting, you're going to have problems sitting at place. So, and then again, doing a pile in Jamaica, maybe it's going to take forever and take one bag of money. So what going right there's some people who want to know about the pile thing. But in the meanwhile, forget the Batman things out of your head. And if the man send a picture to the woman to tell her what's going on, I don't see no problem with it if him skin out in body hole according to you. Well, as a great battle skin out and my own upon media right now, viral and a trend too, and me to tell you. But this woman says still. There is no reason for Uno to blame him to say he mix in any homosexual energy because that's a medical condition. And for him to take that picture, me not see nothing wrong with that. People, your mind are too narrow. Because when you look in the picture, you will see some form of energy to show that there is an energy that need doctor attention. You don't have to do, look how much Batman out there. Name how much Batman you know on the media, but just leave me at the last. Don't put my name first. Name how much Batman out there, alright? And no matter how them I bring the Batman, them I bring down them Batman in them Batman world. Because there's not such things. So if it's a medical condition and him show the picture, you can't beat the man for that and say that, this, that don't have nothing to do with it. And even she, the woman now, is saying that, this woman I'm talking about, me I go to my turn and I come talk. She, the woman, oh Lord. You don't want me to talk or you don't talk first? Because I feel like I'm not talk yet. You come talk, people in the comment section, what do you say? You want me to talk or...
Let me help you, bossy. Can I have the time now before me not have the time for talk?
Mad this space, please. Can you mad the RC boss?
Relationship between Abel and this woman. Why I said that? To be sending your banking information.
Right, come with nothing if you have it. Yeah, I hear you.
To be sending your banking information to someone to come into the country, to file for them, to write a letter to say that you are going to be responsible for them. That within itself indicate the level of friendship that both of these persons have.
That for Able Boss?
Yes, bossy.
Hold on, that's like, hold on, man. I want to write down, I don't know nothing bad for scandal, but we have to write down things that make sense right now. So hold on! Come here, I said, I love the court case work, no care more, resign, and then every day only in my years, boss, come give me some joke now. Hold on. You mean to say, when Captain get him visa. Which foreign, by the way?
It's England, bossy. So me no know of it.
So
Me
when
no,
Captain
England.
it fly out and say me I go foreign and leave the zinc and come out there. I she did give him the big boss when him couldn't go away. Because remember when I read him, I say I see you're going to foreign. Me no see I got Canada, but me see a woman I gonna take you to a foreign. Remember me and everybody business, you know. Remember back me and Yibble Bass reading back there.
Bossy, that's how America ain't go, never England. This a woman here